Bulk add, delete, merge, rename, or replace labels in Confluence with Label Manager by Easy Apps. After the app is installed, it can be opened from any page by selecting Label Manager under Apps. Now let's start by adding a label to a few pages. Choose the pages where you want to change the labels. Now choose the label or labels you want to add to the pages you selected. The detailed preview lets you review before making the change final. Deselect the pages you do not want to change. After you click Run, a pop-up gives you a confirmation of the changes. The preview highlights each label with a color. It is to help you understand what will happen if you click Run to finalize the changes. Green represents a label that would be added. Gray a label that is currently on a page and would not change, while red is for a label that would be deleted. The More Actions button is only seen by space administrators. Clicking it brings a space administrator to space settings. Only a space administrator can merge and rename labels. The steps for merging and renaming are similar to adding a label as shown earlier. One last feature to mention, the label creation shortcut. It is available to all users. Highlight a term on any page. In the menu that pops up, select Add Label. Then click Add Label and it is added as a label on the page. All of this with robust security. The app is built using Atlassian's Forge developer platform. All processing is done within Confluence.